Good morning, class 5. How are you all? I hope you all are doing fine. I am fine too. So we have studied fractions a lot now. We know what are fractions, what are like fractions, equivalent fractions. We know how to add and subtract fractions. Now comes word problems. We have been doing word problems in all the operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Now we will solve word problems based on fractions. So we'll start with exercise 7E. The first question is, Babita has 1/3 meter of blue ribbon. So how much blue ribbon Babita has? 1/3 meter and 1/2 meter of red ribbon. So half meter of red ribbon and 1/3 meter of blue ribbon. How much blue and red ribbon does she have? So we have to find total length of red and blue ribbons together. So dear children, you already know when we need to find total of something, what we do? We add them. So in this particular question, to find the total length of ribbon, what you will do? You will add length of blue ribbon and red ribbon. But first we need to write the steps. So length of blue ribbon is 1/3 meter. So length of blue ribbon is equal to 1/3 meter. Length of red ribbon is equals to 1/2 meter. And the total length of ribbons is sum of the two lengths, that is 1/3 plus 1/2. Now these are unlike fractions. You already know to add unlike fractions we need to convert them into equivalent fractions having same denominator, and that same denominator is the LCM of the denominators. So we will find the LCM of 3 and 2. So only 1 is the common multiple. So LCM is 3 multiplied by 2, that is 6. Convert 1/3 with LCM 6 as the denominator. So we will make the equivalent fraction having LCM 6. What do we multiply to 3 to get 6? 3 2s are 6. So we will multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. So 2 into 1 is 2. 2 3s are 6. So the equivalent fraction is 2/6. Similarly, convert 1/2 with LCM 6 as the denominator with equivalent fractions. Okay. So this becomes 1 3s are 3 and 2 3s are 6. So the other equivalent fraction is 3/6. Now 2/6 plus 3/6, since these are like fractions, keep the denominator same and add the numerator 2 plus 3. So 5/6 meter. So answer is total length of ribbon is how much is it? Total ribbon is how much? 5/6 meter. I hope this is clear to you. So now let us move to the next question. Question number 2. The first step is solving the word problems this children. You will read the questions properly, step by step. Understand what operation you are required to do. Write the steps and then solve. So the next question is, mother bought 2 chickens. One weighed 1 and 3/4 kilogram. Now this is a mixed fraction. Okay children. So how many chickens she bought? She bought 2 chickens. And the weight of one chicken is 1 and 3/4 kilogram. So we will write the first step as weight of one chicken or weight of first chicken. And that is 1 and 3/4 kilogram. Since this is a mixed fraction, we will first convert it into improper fraction. What we do? 1 multiplied by 4 plus the numerator 3/4. So 1 into 4 is 4 plus 3/4. 4 plus 3 is 7. So 7/4 kilogram. So weight of first chicken is 7/4 kilogram. Now what is the weight of the second chicken? And the other chicken he bought is of weight 1.5 kg. So weight of the other chicken, weight of second chicken, weight of second chicken is 1 and 1/2 kg. This is again a mixed fraction. We will convert it into improper fraction. So that is 1. We will multiply 1 to denominator and the numerator by denominator. So 1 into 2 is 2 plus 1 by 2. That is 3 by 2 kilogram. So the weight of one chicken is 7 by 4 kilogram. Weight of second chicken is 3 by 2 kilogram. What you have to find? How much did one weigh more than the other? How much the one weigh more than the other? See, Ramesh is of 10 kilogram, Suresh is of 15 kilogram. Now Suresh's weight is more than Ramesh, 15 is more than 10. But how much is Suresh's weight more than Ramesh? So what we will do? We will subtract smaller from the larger. Okay. But here you need to know which is smaller and which is larger. These are fractions which are unlike. So first we will convert them into equivalent fractions having the same denominators. Okay children? So we have two fractions 7 by 4 and 3 by 2. Let us convert them into equivalent fractions having same denominators. For that we will do LCM of denominators 4 and 2. We know to find the LCM. With the column 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are no more common factors. So LCM is 2 into 2, that is 4. So we have LCM as 4. We will convert both the fractions with denominator 4. So let's do that. 7 by 4, since it's already having 4 as denominator, we don't have to do anything. 3 by 2 we will convert into equivalent fraction having 4 as denominator. So for that we need to multiply numerator and denominator by 2. So this becomes 3 2s are 6 by 4. Now see, 6 by 4 and 7 by 4. So weight of first chicken is more than second chicken because 7 is greater than 6. Now how much weight of first chicken is more than second chicken? Okay, now by how much we need to find 7 by 4 minus 6 by 4. Since they are like fractions, we will keep the denominator as same, and 7 minus 6 is 4. So by 1 by 4 kilogram. So weight of first chicken is more than second chicken by how much? By 1 by 4 kilogram. Okay, so I hope you understand. The first and foremost step is you will make the denominator same by making them equivalent fractions with same LCM. Denominator is the LCM, and then you will judge which is greater and by how much it is greater. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Question number 3. Please read the question thoroughly, understand the operation, write the steps and then solve. Shreya took 1 by 2 of a cake. One cake. Shreya took 1 by 2 portion is half of the cake, and Shruta took 1 by 4th of the cake. What portion of the cake is it's left? See, you can do it by simple understanding also. See, this is a cake. 1 by 2 portion of the cake is consumed by Shreya. Now 1 by 4th portion. 1 by 4th means this much. Okay. This much cake is consumed by Shweta. So see how much is left. You can judge by yourself. Just have the view. 1 by 4th is left. But you need to solve it. Okay dear children. So how we will solve it? You will write the portion of cake consumed by Shreya, portion of cake consumed by Shweta, and you will add them both. Okay, so you will find how much cake is totally consumed. Okay, now this you will minus from 1. So you will get the reply how much is left. Let us do that. Portion of cake Shweta took. How much Shweta took? That is again 1/4. So total portion used by Shreya and Shweta. Let us add them both. Total means we will add them both. Okay, children? So let us add. Now these are unlike fractions. You need to add them. Add them. So what we need to do? We need to find an LCM and make them equivalent fractions having the same LCM. So see, LCM we will get as 4. Now let us make the equivalent fraction. 1/2 multiplied by 2. Both numerator and denominator will get 2/4. 1/4 is already having denominator is 4. So we don't need to do anything. Now let us add them both. So on adding, what we will get? 2/4 plus 1/4. These are like fractions. Keep the denominator same and add the numerator. So this is the result. 3/4 is the portion consumed by Shreya and Shweta. Now what is the portion left we need to find? Total cake was 1. So portion left, portion of cake left. So that will be 1 minus 3/4. Total cake is 1. So 1 minus the portion consumed. So this will be again 1/1. Again we need to take LCM. 4 and 1. So LCM will be, LCM of 1 and 4 will be 1 multiplied by 4, that is 4. Convert 1/1 into equivalent fraction having 4. Multiply denominator and numerator by 4. You will get 4/4. 3/4 is already having LCM and denominator as 4. Sorry. You need to do anything. Just subtract it. Let's subtract 4/4 minus 3/4. Keep the denominator same. 4 minus 3, that is 1/4 is the portion left. I hope you understood. So let's move to the question number 4. Deepak spent 3/8 hours studying Hindi and mathematics. So he studied for 3/8 hours Hindi. And mathematics he spent 1/12 of an hour studying. Deepak spent 3/8 hours studying Hindi and mathematics he studied for 3/8 hours. And 1/12 of an hour he studied Hindi. So how long did he spend studying mathematics? Okay. He studied Hindi and mathematics together for 3/8 hours. And 1/12 of an hour he studied Hindi. You need to find only for mathematics he gave how much time. Okay, children? So let's do this. What will we do? We will write the step-by-step operations first. Okay, children? So question 4. Deepak spent 3/8 hours. So hours spent for, or you can write time spent for Hindi and mathematics, okay, or maths, let's write the short form, that is 3/8 of an hour. Our time spent for Hindi alone, okay, that is 1/12 of an hour. Okay, now what you need to find? You need to find only the time spent for mathematics. This was the time together he spent for Hindi and mathematics, and this is the time he spent for only Hindi. So you need to find for mathematics. See, I played football and cricket for 1 hour, and out of that I played football for 40 minutes. So how much is the time I spent for football, cricket alone? 1 hour minus that 40 minutes. Similarly, this is the total time spent for Hindi and maths. This much was the time he spent for Hindi alone. So how we will find the time only for maths? Just subtract time for Hindi from the total time. So time study maths is equal to total time, that is 3 by 8 of an hour minus 1 by 12. So again we need to make equivalent fractions having the denominator as LCM of the denominator. So find denominator, LCM of 8 and 12. 2 4s are, 2 6s are, again 2 2s are, 2 3s are. So LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 8 3s are 24. 24 is our LCM. Now let us find the equivalent fractions of the two fractions 3 by 8 and 1 by 12. 3 by 8. 8 multiplied by 3 is 24. So let us multiply numerator and denominator by 3. So 3 3s are 9, 8 3s are 24. Another is 1 by 12. So 12 2s are 24. Multiply numerator and denominator by 2. 2 2 1s are 2, 12 2s are 24. Now we need to subtract 1 by 12 from 3 by 8. So 3 by 8 is 9 by 24 and 1 by 12 is 2 by 24. Keep the denominator same since they are like fractions. 9 minus 2, that is 7 by 24 of an hour is spent on studying mathematics. I hope you understood, children. So time spent on mathematics alone is 7 by 24 of an hour is spent on studying mathematics. Okay, children? So this is question number 4. Question number 5. Ritika bought 1 and 1 by 3 kilogram of grapes and 7 by 8 kilogram of oranges. What is the total weight that she carried? So this much was the grapes, this much was the orange. Total weight, how you will find? You will convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions and add them both. How much more grapes did she buy as compared to oranges? So grapes are more than oranges. How much more? What we do? We will subtract the weight of oranges from grapes. This question, children, you will try and do by yourself. I'll send you the solution so that you get to know how much you understood. Thank you. That's all for the class. Have a great day and please study hard.